doing? I hope you guys are fine. Alright, this is how I went to market yesterday to buy fish too. Guys, if you see how things take us for market now, hey. Everything na hello. You see that woman the way they see for this where they point, that woman say na 4K. Hey, now beg before the woman will sell for 35. She paid chicken. When I beg her, then I said, don't worry, next time I'm going to come to buy something for your hand before that woman will sell for me like that too. I swear, just the hell now. Maybe it's nothing where December never reach. If December reach, tomato will be hey. So now the woman don't put it for me, the woman try for me, I swear. The woman try. So she come the time. I be one buy tatashi, one man can tell me say, I will leave tatashi. Now I leave her. So I sweat like this man you see me now. I just sweat because something much yesterday for area. Yeah, you see my face, I can laugh, I can smile. When we will see you get down, I swear. If you vex, you will lick for Nash. So I don't go there, I go buy everything. I go buy like fish, meat, noodles, I go buy the remaining ingredients. I go go like this. It's up too much. If you look well, I go see say the kind song where they come outside from up there. That's good. Say the and this marketing man, they try say, I don't come for fish side. I say, make I buy you, make I price, make I know how much they sell and burger. It can't be like say fish now it was to pass. So see that fish, that one will be like say na big pass. The woman say na 3,000 last. I shock her, say na last too. I price. So tell the woman no view, price. Me say if come the vest, I come vest come out. Now they see as they raise the fish. The way I make a know how the weight stay before my hand. The woman no view. The woman come for Shilo. Now I come out for there, come go another place. Now other place when I see that they cost this fish. This fish when I see for there, so na 2K. 2K. 4,000. You see, it better pass that one where I go buy 3,000. You see, 2,000 and they big. So I say make I buy and manage them. So it be. Woman come dey cut off for me. I like the woman just dey friendly. The way she take approach me, the way she take talk to me, it thing make me stop. So make I buy something from her hand. So it be. I get one man wey say meet near her. My dear, I even buy meat vibe. I take cook self. So make I go buy small meat for there. But unfortunately, I forgot to video that part where they buy meat, but no problem, and I will still see them when they washing. So they waka. So make I as I buy finish now, enter keke, they go my house. They go my house. Honestly, the way keke people they drive these days, the thing they imagine me. Keke go they want to they fight motor, they drag road with big motor. Hey, you see that trailer where they found so this keke so be the drag road with this keke. If not be me, I tell her say, Oga beg, I no dey in a hurry. I saw that one can't take pass, I can't reach house. See another, the fish I don't wash finish so. Me every person will be saying they like to see anything where they for this kind hole. If I see anything for that hole, that fish go tire me. See, I don't wash them. I don't come out all the whole nyama, the whole gorogodo, or the whole gorogodo where they did for the mouth of the fish. I don't come out and bam, come out everything. That's how they do my thing. That's so it be. Yeah. You see, this one no great commerce. That make me live. You see, hey, no be small thing. Otoporios. Even for the head that they come out that in nyama where they dey in head. So they do my own thing. When I don't mind my pots, so all my pots don't do occupy. This pots one I see for here, so na akoche dike. See na all the whole na the meat wey I tell una say I buy that day. That time for the market na be that. See, I say make I steam am first before I start. Na so it dey be. Na so na the process of this one na the onions what they put. So na so it be, guys. Maybe small thing, and so this one na salt. I also make I add salt small because you know so if I dey fry stew, salt go still dey more, and all this our maggi and the crayfish salt dey always dey there. Make me say make I put small. And I 1 year say I shoot bird na him mama come fly. I go fly follow the mama. See, this one at the time where I dey cut. I don dey steam meat to see meat. If you look my back well, I go see where pot of meat dey for ground where I dey steam am for small gas. So I say make I come slice the tomato wey I buy for 35. So slicer. Now they slice for you, so guys, you know easy. I swear. I want to be this, so I don't slice and finish. Yeah. I don't slice and finish, guys. Yeah, I don't fry am. More. As soon as they see I say big like this, where this tomato go make for fire, and I no go know say na be this, so because they look good. That's so, guys, gentlemen, that's so we they do gentlemen, that's so we they do So upon that I still buy this one. This one na 1,200 naira, but the woman gave me for 1,001 because if I come buy something for your hand there, the time when you go take carry something, when you go come on money for things where you go sell for me, you don't go know because of I too different. I dey if I call yourself, I go dey joke with you. The way I go take dey talk to you, we go take dey play allow self, you know the time we go remove money from me. It's good to be good, I swear. It's good to be good. So I don't put the tomato now. Don't put them. The press and make sure say nothing remain for inside because so see money now when they buy something, maybe small thing, no. I swear. So it would be from the time I don't always like to use this time about the fry stew because you know the hot. Like spoon. If not spoon, that spoon go down hot. So this time I'm a bad guy go use and if you like forget them for the pot self. If you come back you go still carry on like that, you no go hurt your hand. See, and this is the time where I don't put pork leaf. I like to if my stew, my tomato don't dey dry, I like to put pork leaf inside, then fry am small before I go tell what I put. See how yummy is this. Maybe small thing, patience can cook for Africa. See, and now the tomato don't dry, I don't put water. You know, see, don't mind me. Don't tell me say it dey water. Oh, and so tomato they be. If you put water for the first time, it go dey water. You understand? It go dey water. It go dey watery. But later, if fire don't hit and you go see and say all the whole tomato will come thick. That's so it be. So now don't they put the ingredients or the whole mende. Now they put for you so. The whole fish is out and the fishes. Excuse me, become so now say the big guys. Then they put them all put them. Now, no be small thing. I say they be. I know make the fish pieces. Now make me see say they do smell like this. They put them. The gas I go take do. If I rush them, they say all of them go scatter. I say they be. If I tell you how much I spend to cook all this stew, and you no go believe. If I tell now, na groundnut oil I go talk. I been na pepper. Na crayfish now say it's cheap now. Crayfish cheap, well now for market. Crayfish wey I buy 2,000 that day for market. If you see am, even myself, it shock me. It shocked me. I said, Jesus, this one crayfish of 2,000, I been 10,000. I was like, if not like this, everything go take cheap for Nigeria. And I be say, Nigeria done better. No, not mind me. Not tell me say the thing 2 day water. Now so it dey be. If you fry tomato finish, especially fresh tomato, if you fry and finish, put water, it go dey watery. Now later you go come dey thick. So this one na pepper. I dey eat pepper. If you want invite me for your house, make sure say you go put better pepper for your stew, for your food. This one na pepper 500 naira. This pepper I finish am. Put all of them. I put all of them. I no one year say I shoot bird, the mama can fly. The fly follow the mama. See the dog. See her now. See the pepper. See the pepper. Upon side, even pour this pepper self. The thing no stay pepper. I don't know what they add the giant pepper now because nothing where Nigeria people no go do. Nothing where market women no go do for them to make money. They tell you. So the thing never boil. Now they try to boil, but you know, say you don't start to the tick small. No see am. Just the watch. When this thing go tick, you go say that be small thing. So now say we they do gentlemen. I say we they do gentlemen. I say we they do Now so we they do so make it down small, make I dey bug guys. See me now. Time to bug. The food done ready. Come and chop with me, guys. No be small thing, delicious, delicious. Hey.
I look tattered. Ha!